Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There are three different alleles, known as IA, IB, and I. The IA and IB alleles are codominant, and the I allele is recessive. The possible human phenotypes for blood group are type A, type B, type AB, and type O.
Take our lead.
Many genes have more than two alleles, versions of the gene. This means that more than two forms of the allele exist in a species. Blood type is an example of this. The color of a rabbit's coat is also an example of multiple alleles, as shown above.
Let's help you make your mark.
Multiple alleles combine in different ways in a population, and produce different phenotypes. These phenotypes are caused by the proteins encoded for by the various alleles. Although each gene encodes for the same type of protein, the different alleles can cause high variability in the functioning of these proteins.
Make your mark, take our lead.
An organism's genotype is its specific set of genes, while its phenotype are all of its observable traits. Due to mutation and natural selection, many loci along the DNA have various alleles. More alleles may lead to a greater variety of traits in offspring.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Multiple alleles, three or more alternative forms of a gene, alleles, that can occupy the same locus. However, only two of the alleles can be present in a single organism. For example, the ABO system of blood groups is controlled by three alleles, only two of which are present in an individual. A dictionary of biology.
Take our lead.
All alleles receive at least a four-digit name, which corresponds to the first two sets of digits. Longer names are only assigned when necessary. The next set of digits are used to list the subtypes, numbers being assigned in the order in which DNA sequences have been determined.
Let's help you make your mark.
An allele is one of two or more versions of a gene. An individual inherits two alleles for each gene, one from each parent. If the two alleles are the same, the individual is homozygous for that gene. If the alleles are different, the individual is heterozygous.
Make your mark, take our lead.
People who are type O have O genotypes. In other words, they inherited a recessive O allele from both parents. The A and B alleles are codominant. Therefore, if an A is inherited from one parent and AB from the other, the phenotype will be AB.
Take our lead.
Two alleles. An individual inherits two alleles for each gene, one from each parent. If the two alleles are the same, the individual is homozygous for that gene. If the alleles are different, the individual is heterozygous.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One allele for every gene in an organism is inherited from each of that organism's parents. In some cases, both parents provide the same allele of a given gene, and the offspring is referred to as homozygous, homo, meaning same, for that allele.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.